So last week the debt ceiling talk didn't go according to plan. I think both parties walked out between the meeting. That certainly sent some concern to the stock market. S&P 500 now is back at the resistance 4,200. Can we break through or are we going to drop from here? Let me explain to you. I'm going to start off with the TradingView chart. Why do I do that? Because there are two very important indicators. The first one on the yellow line is the accumulation distribution line, which is here. I'll put an arrow there and I'm going to put a circle on the blue one. The blue one is the advanced decline line. First one, accumulation distribution measure the buying momentum, selling momentum. Advanced decline line measure the overall performance inside S&P 500. So the 500 stock performance inside S&P 500. You must have a TradingView Pro account to ensure you to get the up-to-date data. As you can see, I have a Pro account. So if you'd like to join the Pro account, I'll drop the link below. You can use our referral link to join. Doesn't mean you pay more, but once you join on our back end, we'll see your email, etc. We'll invite you to a monthly event to show you how to use TradingView to enhance your trading probability. So do consider to do that. You could take our link and go for a trial first. You don't have to pay anything, but I guarantee TradingView will take your trading to the next level. Right, so let me explain what happened in the indicator at the moment. All right, so price action, obviously we are at resistance 4,200. Talked about it multiple times. I think we could break, but we may need a little recharge and then break. Yeah, maybe. But currently the accumulation is okay. We are seeing popping higher. Let me just clean all the drawings. We are seeing more accumulation for sure. But the underlining is this. The advanced decline line is still not picking up. Meaning that more stock are actually bearish than bullish inside S&P 500. So that's a bit of concern. Right, let's go to our IG chart, which is our recommended broker. What are we looking at on the S&P 500? Right, again, you can see we have the daily first. We're trying to break this 4,200 area, and now we got a reversal bar. So if tomorrow I see price can't manage to hold here and started to break lower, I could take a trade through here, 4,180, and short it back down to around 130, 40 area. So stop loss around this area should be still around the 221. But intraday method, not taking a daily bar to do that. All right. But one thing needs to line up. I also need to see weakness in Nasdaq. So you can see Nasdaq trying to break this 13,800, but now looks like it needs to recharge. Definitely I look to buy again, but maybe 1 or 2 days. Yeah, Wednesday, Thursday, maybe around this area to look to be a buyer on that. But the retracement, if I do see retracement on Nasdaq, then I will probably sell the S&P. Dow Jones is the weakest, probably dragging down from all the banking stock, etc. You can see on the daily is no way having the same momentum like the Nasdaq or even the S&P. We're still ranging around this area, so let's see in here. But 33,000 must hold. You don't want to really see this break because otherwise it will drop lower. If Dow Jones drop lower, it's very, very unhealthy for the overall US stock market. Russell, on the other hand, is trying to break the resistance on the blue box area that I have in here. So around the 1800, 1780 area, but it's now reversing again. So could we need a recharge and do that, or will it break below here? Really pay attention to that because I don't really trade one thing on its own. Okay, so if I do see Dow Jones, Russell can't hold, I probably won't be a buyer. I'll probably stay in if I'm selling S&P 500. So Use the overall market to confirm your direction. Don't just trade one asset class is my advice. All right. So that's all for me with the stock indices trading update. If you like to see more trading opportunity, make sure you stay tuned because I will be doing the Forex trading opportunity and gold trading opportunity next. Thank you very much.